Yeah, I see it. You got the box. My house. That's 84. I'm gonna get $1 more on my house. You said 85. Chevy Caprice is here. What's going on, YouTube? It's the first day out here with the box. We got the Box Chevy here. We got it home. I know y'all guys trying to see it. Needed a lot of work, but we got it here. I'm gonna give y'all a little review on it. Here we go. Box Chevy. It's an 86. Let's see if we can. I know I need a tire. I'm gonna take this tire off today and get my man to come sand it down. It's gonna take a lot of work. I can tell we need this trim. Need new tires. We got rust in this area. See right here? We got rust right there. Damn, man, went down through the door. Right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm gonna give y'all the full build. Look like some rust right here. Floor. That ain't good. We have to take this carpet out and see how this floor looking. Because it got wet. But let me check it. Pop the front. We'll pop the hood for y'all here. I think one of the windows worked, the driver window worked, but god damn. Yeah, man, it's a lot of work they're doing. He got that old school smell. Pop the hood on. Actually, we can pop the trunk too. I don't even think, okay. Never popped the trunk yet. Oh, it don't work. Trunk at least don't work. I don't know how we gonna get in that trunk. Unless you gotta have a key in there. Let's see. I doubt it. Turn that shit off. Say service engine soon. Nothing. Let's see if we crank her up. Nothing. I'm gonna pop the hood on her, but we looking at all the body work. I'm gonna call my man over. This look pretty good. We can see all this down. We need 80 grit. I think we're gonna come down with some 320. No, some. Regular 305. Got rest right here. I think I'm gonna take the tugs out. This thing came with a Miller highlight. Just put a new battery in it. I'm trying to get it around. I know the carburetor gone, so I'm gonna put the carburetor up there. But today we need to focus on getting this tire. Get this motherfucker wrapped up and this tire off. Yeah, man. That's what we got out here. Look at the hood, like. I don't even really mess with that, but yeah. Everything is where it's at. We have to take that carburetor out, probably clean it out, do something, put some starter fluid in it. We're gonna get it running today. But yeah, need to get a key made for it. For the doors, I might get that today, but we want to get it running. I was thinking the fuel pump had a fuel tank had a leak, but I don't see nothing. It's alright though, we gonna undercoat that. See, it had disc brakes, but it rolled. It did what it had to do. So yeah. Just need to clean this up, clean my ashtray. It look pretty decent inside, comfortable. Put some 6x9 or something back there. But yeah, the goal is to get the tire fixed, get it running, cause it's almost running. Carburetor gone or some crazy shit like that. It's a 5.0 305. So yeah, we gotta end up taking this thing off right here. See, I think the carburetor is gone. It's leaking right here, I think. It's still wet. One of you guys can tell me what it is. That say filter. y'all. It's going down to the fuel pump. I think this is the choke right here. Choke's supposed to stay down though. I can tell y'all this stuff is broke.